name is Magdelene.
My name is Alexandra.
And our team name is Sending Her Essentials.
And our product is also Sending Her Essentials, which is our nonprofit.
Her name is Kayada, and she lives in the ghettos of Liberia.
Her name is Habiba, and she lives in the Upper West Side of Manhattan.
Her name is Elaine, and she lives in the slums of India.
No matter where you are in this world, all women are united by one of many things. We all must face our monthly period. But what if your sister, your daughter, or your mother had to miss days of school or work every single month because she didn't have access to quality menstrual health products?
What if your family member lived in an environment where menstrual management products were so expensive and a girl's first period was her worst nightmare?
This is a reality for women globally. This is a reality for the young girls in Tanzania, where sanitary pad and tampon use is as low as 18%.
This is a reality for the young girls in India, where between 43 to 88% of the female adolescent population has to resort to using unsanitary cloths and rags just to compensate for the lack of sanitary tampons and pads. This was a reality for my cousin Brenda. While living in a country like Liberia that lacked menstrual management products, at the age of 12 she was not afraid of the dark, but of getting her first period.
This is a reality for the young women in Maharashtra, India, where 4 in 5 girls drop out of school after receiving their first period, and 70% of the girls who are still in school skip school while they're on their period. This is a reality for women globally, where the period is stigmatized.
My name is Magdelene.
My name is Alexandra, and she is going to change that. She, which stands for Sending Her Essentials, is a nonprofit dedicated to ensuring that women have an equal opportunity to excel in their personal, academic, and professional lives. We do this by donating sustainable menstrual health products to women locally and globally, while also educating them about how to manage their period. We plan to start hosting workshops here in New York City starting in April, which will educate women on how to manage their period in a sustainable, cost-free, cost-effective, and pain-free way.
Prior to getting incorporated this January, Sending Her Essentials had 2 mock trials. One in Worcester, Massachusetts, and another on St. John's University's Queen campus. Post-incorporation, we had our biggest menstrual health drive called Keep Her Warm in partnership with NAACP St. John's University campus. The average American woman uses up to 17,000 sanitary napkins in her entire lifetime.
By that large number, you can tell that this is an issue that not only affects women's health, but the health of our home planet. Close to 20 billion sanitary pads and tampons wash up onto North American shore every single year.
Tampons are made with polyethylene and other plastics that are non-biodegradable and that cause environmental pollution.
She advocates for a safe alternative, the menstrual cup. The menstrual cup, because it's made out of flexible silicone, it doesn't leave behind harmful ingredients in a woman's body, such as plastics and other things that pads and tampons leave. The menstrual cup is reusable, but don't worry because it's actually very sanitary. The menstrual cup is also very cost effective. It costs about $25 to $40 and lasts up to 10 years, whereas a 10-year supply of tampons costs about $650.
Sending Her Essentials believes that all women, regardless of their socioeconomic status and geographical location, deserve to be in control of their period. This is why we started the Buy One, Give One project. For every 1 menstrual cup that is bought, 1 will be given to a woman in need. Sending Her Essentials is in partnership with the Yates Barrel Company that will assist us in sending menstrual cups abroad.
We also plan to collaborate with schools abroad to train teachers or she volunteers how to train their students on how to use the menstrual cups.
A study done in 2011 shows that 91% of women using tampons would rather use a menstrual cup.
As you can see, more and more women are starting to talk about the period and how they implement it into their monthly health routine. Audra Heinrichs, who is the founder of Women's March NYC, supports our mission and says that the menstrual cup is also a very healthy tool for the women. So, why invest in She?
Well, investing in She is an investment in women's health and also women's education.
An investment in She is an investment in the health of our home planet. With your help, she can. In this competition, we hope to gain resources to affect our community on a broader scale while also learning how others strategize to affect the greater community. Thank you for watching.